Jai Shri Gurudev. Today I want to talk about a topic that concerns all of us, that is the use of antibiotics. While antibiotics are essential in treating bacterial infections, misuse and overuse have become a serious health threat worldwide. Let's take a few moments to understand why using antibiotics responsibly is so important. Antibiotics have saved millions of lives since they were first discovered. They are powerful medicines designed to fight bacterial infections like pneumonia, tuberculosis, and bacterial meningitis. When used correctly, they can help us recover quickly and safely from bacterial infections. However, they are not a cure-all, and they are certainly not meant for every cough, cold, or fever. Antibiotic abuse happens when these medicines are used incorrectly, such as taking antibiotics for viral infections like the flu or common cold, not completing the full course prescribed by your doctor, taking antibiotics without a prescription, sharing antibiotics with others, or using leftovers. These practices are harmful not just to the person taking the antibiotics but to our entire community. When antibiotics are overused or misused, bacteria can adapt and become resistant. This is what we call antibiotic resistance. Resistant bacteria don't respond to standard antibiotics, meaning infections become harder, sometimes impossible to treat. This leads to longer hospital stays, higher medical costs, increased risk of complications, and even death. If we don't use antibiotics responsibly, we risk returning to a time when minor infections could be life-threatening. So, what can you do? Here are a few key points. Only use antibiotics when prescribed by a healthcare professional. Follow your doctor's instructions carefully. Finish the full course even if you feel better, because stopping early can allow bacteria to survive and become stronger. Never share antibiotics or use leftover prescriptions. What works for one infection may not work for another. Avoid pressuring your doctor for antibiotics if they say it isn't necessary. Trust their expertise. Practice good hygiene like regular hand washing to reduce the spread of infections and the need for antibiotics. Remember, antibiotics are precious resource and it's up to all of us to protect them. By using antibiotics responsibly, we can keep them effective for those who truly need them. Let's work together to ensure a healthier future for ourselves and generations to come. Thank you for listening and for doing your part to stop antibiotic resistance. Together, we can make a difference. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more exciting content.